Namaste बच्चों, I JP and Ayushi Shukla, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology. So our next topic is divide and conquer technique. So what is divide and conquer technique? In divide and conquer approach, the problem in hand is divided into smaller sub-problems and then each problem is solved independently. Then when we keep on dividing the sub-problems into even smaller sub-problems, we may eventually reach a stage where no more division is possible. So those automatic smallest possible subproblems or fractions are solved. The solution of all subproblem is finally merged in order to obtain the solution of an original problem. So see, there is an example for divide and conquer technique. So first we take a small ABCD, that is a small a to j. So that is our problem to create it in capital order. So first we divide all the array element into small array element, like we divide in sub problems. Okay, full problem for full problem we divide in sub problems, we divide in some sub problems. So we distribute all elements a to j is single problems. Okay, so that is known as sub problems. Then we conquer the technique, or we find the solution for this problem. So we got the solution. After getting solution, we just simply merge them all, so become an array, that is become an array. So there is an array. So broadly we can understand divide and conquer approach in the three-step process. First, we divide or we break the elements. So this step involves breaking the problem into smaller subproblem. Subproblem should represent a part of the original problem. This step generally takes a recursive approach to divide the problem until no subproblem is further divisible. So at this stage, subproblem becomes automatic in nature, but it still represents some part of the actual problem. Then second step is conquer or solve. So this step receive a lot of smaller subproblems to be solved. Generally, at this level, the problem are considered solved on their own. So that is known as concurrent solve stage. Now, third one stage is merge and combine, we can say that. So when the smaller sub problems are solved, this stage recursively combines them all until they formulate a solution of the original problem. So that is the basic algorithm, or that this is the algorithm approach works recursively. The conquer and merge step works to close that they appear as one. So that three step done in divide and conquer technique. So there is many example for divide and conquer technique we discussed on previous videos. That is, there is some approaches which we know that is merge sort, quick sort, binary search, stance matrix multiplication, and closest path. They all are the example for divide and conquer technique. So there are various way available to solve the any computer problem, but the mention are good example of divide and conquer approach, because there is so many ways we can easily solve the problem. But after divide and conquer technique, we got smaller sub problems, so it is very easy to solve them and merge them. After merging them, we got the solution in proper manner. When we divide or when we conquer the each and every element, we automatically get the solution of each problem, because when we divide it into a part or into a sub problems, that automatically solve some problems automatically solve after dividing. So that is known as divide and conquer technique. If you have any doubt in this uh, session, then you can comment in comment box. Thank you so much.